Thank you. Thank you, Amelia Papadopoulos, for reporting there from Hatfield. Tributes are being paid to two Londoners who were killed in a bomb blast in Somalia. ABDULLAHI Kabawayne and MOHAMED Gure had both left their wives and children here to serve as MPs in the country of their birth. But they died when al-Shabaab fighters attacked a hotel in the capital, Mogadishu. Emma North has the story.
Somalia is making progress. Londoners are moving back. But extremism haunts the capital city, Mogadishu. And it was in this attack on Wednesday that two British Somali MPs died. They were killed by the extremist group Al-Shabaab. In this house in Holloway, their loss is being felt the most personally. This is where MOHAMED Gure lived. He leaves a wife and 8 children. The youngest is 4. His family say he and the fellow MP ABDULLAHI Kabawayne were deliberately targeted. How are you feeling at the moment?
Very sad. I can't describe, to be honest here. And I can say I lost my heart. It's my uncle, I love him, but I have to accept it. Lost is lost. I have to carry on the life. I have to help the kids. It's a big responsibility. And I will do the best that I can for my uncle's kids, as much as I can to help them.
Calm, pragmatic and committed to bringing peace to his home country, Gure was a very vocal campaigner both here and in Somalia. He knew the risks.
I always mention we lost this and this and this, but still a lot of people make a decision to save another lives. So it's their own decision. It's hard work, no security. They know that there is risky, but still they have to save their lives in Somalia.
The two MPs are among several Somalis who settled in London but are determined to bring change to their home country.
They have some influence in making Somalia a bit more peaceful. They are not only in the parliament but also in different parts of the politician and also in businesses and so on. So they have a huge impact on the stabilization and the peaceful return of normality to Somalia.
Dozens of British peacekeepers are to go to Somalia to train and support the local forces. This week's attacks have dimmed the prospect of peace, but there's a refusal in both Mogadishu and London to extinguish it altogether. Emma North, BBC London News.